Hello my friends and welcome to Internet Electronic Channel. This is Uncle Misha. Today we got a little package from one of my eBay purchases, and this is gonna be definitely a mini disc thingy. So let's see what we got. This is very simplistically packaged. I hope it's delivered in one piece. Probably gonna be easier to open this way, because I didn't realize that's gonna be like that lightly packaged. Alright, just open it like this. Try not to cut anything. Ta-da! So what we got? We got 4 mini discs, which are Sony, a bit dusty, Sony 80mm recordable MD color collection. Only 4 of them. I thought it was gonna be 5, but maybe. But anyways, the fact is, it's this one a little bit different. Someone lost. No, maybe not. Yeah, a little bit dusty, used, but still looks like okay shape. And mini disc player. Ooh, crusty. So this gentleman is a little bit crusty, so I'm not really sure if it's operational, but I didn't pay much for all this together. And oh, 5. Oh, here we are. Okay, 5 discs. I didn't pay much for all this together, so I assume even if this guy is not 100% working, we still can have use out of it. So oh yeah, first of all, what is this? This is MZN420D. Very basic, but in the same time quite reliable mini disc player, because this guy is not recorded, doesn't have any recording features, but it has that MD feature, which make it quite valuable, because it means you can use this guy for a recording through the USB cable from the computer. So this guy is really good for that. Beside that, it doesn't like ding here. Beside that, doesn't have any inputs or outputs, just headphones, hold button, and USB. And someone really bashed it here, but this is not a big deal if this is not functional. This is just right here, right? You can even straighten it using something like that. I hope it's wasn't done during the shipment, otherwise that's going to be very sad. I'll be very sad. Okay, so this guy definitely will need some cleaning, and that's probably going to be a separate video, because they usually can be involving, because I see some battery corrosion right here. Right, and I can try to power it up, because I definitely know the gentleman tried to power it up. Yeah, I see more corrosion here. Not sure if this guy is working, so let's just power it up, and then we will try to see where we go with all this. Okay, well, low battery. Well, that's already positive, right? At least board is working, and screen is working, and buttons are working, so this is already a big deal. Sometime that's even, oh, what the hell, where did all batteries go? Okay, you have a good battery now, Kirkland. This is pretty much brand new. Okay, hold is on. Okay, let's unhold. Wait, what? It says no disc, of course. It sort of remembers that the disc was here before. Okay, so there's moment of truth. Very interesting. Oh yeah. Okay, that was weird. Took some time to pop. Probably there is a bad connection somewhere, so we have to. Well, wait. I think it's playing. It produces some weird noises. Hey, it does play.
Hopefully y'all came today, not because somebody.
Okay. That's, I mean, I don't know what to say. Well, I mean, no matter what. So that means board is working, pickup is working, buttons are working, and the screen is working. A little bit scratched here and there because this is typical use mark of this 420D, except this little ding here, and I think I do have extra spare of this top. Okay. So this is, it's not bad. This back is actually in relatively good shape, needs some washing. Okay, maybe not. So there is a crack here, there is a crack here. That's it. So there are two cracks here and ding here. So rest is relatively okay. Glass is relatively fine. Well, okay, so definitely we're gonna have a video where we are bringing this gentleman to the good shape, because it clearly has corrosion right there, which has to be cleaned up, and a little bit corrosion on this side. And I'm not sure what's up with the dust situation. It's really hard to tell just like this, but I'm pretty happy because I didn't pay much for all this. So 5 discs alone is already decent load, plus they are 80 minutes long, so it's not too bad. You know, the Sony discs are good, and they are good quality and nice looking. Only blue ones, but even this blue, like actually very nice blue color, actually matching this disc. Probably someone actually picked them because they are sort of matching, like nice one. Alright, so this is probably gonna be it. We have successful shipping. It arrived in one piece in this super dinky packaging. I hope this damage is not because of the bad shipment. Yeah. Anyways, nevertheless, I'm pretty happy it arrived, and I'm pretty happy it is working and not completely dead out of the box. So yeah, please stay tuned for second part when I'm gonna try to clean it up and make sure it's working top notch. But this is gonna be it. Stay safe, stay tuned for more videos, and ciao!